Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Mill here, and today I'm going to be talking about Kommunitas. Now I believe this is a project that is going to make millionaires in 2020, and I of course want to be one of those millionaires. Today I'm going to be sharing a little bit about this project, what you can expect, what the future potentials are, what the goals is, everything you need to know to make an informed decision and more. I do, however, recommend, I'm not a financial advisor, so you look into you look into this sort of things yourself. I'm going to firstly talk about it and then do it with you guys so you can see my progress as I go and see what it is. So Kommunitas is a decentralized and tierless launchpad. You can launch multi-chain oriented projects in various blockchains like Polygon, BSC, Ethereum, Avalanche, and Solana. Now all those things are not available yet. At the moment it is only available in the Matic network, and yeah, the other things are coming up in the roadmap. Before we look through this, I just want to show you some stats of the project. Now at the time of making this video, this one Kommunitas or Com token is worth 0.008 cents, as you can see, and currently the market cap is only 8 million. This is literally a gold mine waiting to go, and if you watch till the end of the video, you will find out exactly why. So make sure to watch this video all the way till the end. Feel free to subscribe as well to keep up to date as well on how you can capitalize on this upcoming project. So in the past 24 hours, you can see when this project first launched, it launched at $0.0001 per com token. Of course it's at 0.008, so it had massive gain, 1200% since the last 3 months, and these guys are just getting started. They have a strong community, a strong team, good values. I think this coin will perform really well. So if you look at a 90-day chart, you can see this is what it's looking like. Now I know the chart looks a little bit up, but trust me, this is still very early, only a $8 million cap. That means there is so much potential and room for it to grow, and it is a little bit more riskier than the other projects I would share, but usually higher the risk equals higher the reward in most of this sort of thing. So let's go. You can see in the past 7 days it's got a 107% gain, 30% gain, and in the past 30 days almost a 9x gain on your investment if this was something you invested. Now I actually found out this about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I've been monitoring it to see if this is something I want to recommend or make a video on. And well, after much consideration, I think this is a really strong project and it's worthwhile. Now some of the advantages are it's multi-chain, tierless, you can stake, and there's a governance function as well. So this is what the token is looking like. In terms of how to buy the token, I bought it on KuCoin. I'll leave it link in the description. If you don't have a KuCoin, you can get an account there as well. Yeah, so you basically get KuCoin, then buy the Matic token, which is right here. So once you have it in your wallet, you will need to add Polygon to your wallet as well, to your MetaMask, and then you pretty much just swap it over for from Matic to Com, which is what exactly you can do. Now I'm just going to do 270. I have 276. I'm just going to do 270. So it's about 60,000 Com tokens at the current price. So you can see you get 222 Com per Matic token at the time of making this video. So pretty much you just want to swap it and confirm. Now it's going to take some time for this to get swapped over, and once it has been swapped, I'll show you how to actually stake this so you can get a bigger return on this. As the price of these tokens appreciate, of course you can make more as well. But remember, this is a very early on project. I've decided to invest in this because I believe in the team, the community, and what they are doing. I think this is a really good long-term potential. This is true especially because of the roadmap they have laid out. you can see they are planning to get listed on the BSC Decentralized Exchange on the 10th of December. Now, when this happens, I do expect the price to 3-5x easily. So this is something that I'm looking forward to going as well. I believe it has potential to double, if not triple, before the year actually ends. And then, of course, we'll see all the things that are coming in 2022 as well. I think 2022 is when it will actually take off massively. A lot of the stuff is still building on, but like I said, a strong team, good work. So I think this has really good long-term potential, and that's why I decided to invest in this for myself. Now, you can actually go in and stake as well over up here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you can go up here to staking.kommunitas.net/stake v2 com. So if you come here, go over to max. Oops. The swap hasn't been completed yet. It is a fair bit. So this is about $500 worth of Kommunitas token, 60,000. I think this has really good potential, but of course it is a small project that might not take off as well as I'd like, but I think there is easily potential for it to have 5-10x happening by next year, which is something I'm pretty happy with. So at the time of making this video, I actually have 223 staked already. I'm just looking to stake the rest as well. So as soon as those get transferred over, I'll be staking the rest of the COM tokens as well. Make sure you do your own due diligence. I'm looking forward to updating things. All the things that I have done before have taken off really well. Yesterday, in fact, I invested in another project which ended up getting 30%, and that was Fortress DAO. So I don't want to go off to another tangent, but yesterday I invested some as well up in here. I mentioned this in my Telegram group. If you haven't joined, make sure you do. So yesterday I got into Fort as well. As you can see, it's already up 30%. I got around the $60 mark. So this has been doing really well. This is another DAO that I think have good long-term potential. I'm gonna get maybe 3 to 5x and then pull out and then wait for the price to drop and then reinvest back in. That is usually the way to go in this sort of thing, is you wanna build it up, pull it out, and then buy back in at the dip, and yeah, pretty much repeat the process with rebase tokens. Going back to this, let's see, hopefully this has been completed. No, still going, but you guys get the point. Is you pretty much wanna go here, let it do your thing, and then you come here and stake this. Now staking will get you an API. So default API is 30%. With staking for either 30, 60 or 90 days, you can get up to a 2x API, so that will go to 60%. As this is something I'm going to do. For me, this is more about the long term. $500, it's not too much, but still enough that I want to see how far it can actually carry me. If I get into maybe $10,000-$20,000, I'll look to pull out of this position. Otherwise, I'm gonna look in for the long term thing and see how this actually goes. But that's about it for this video. If you guys go up here, as soon as that transfer is over, pretty much you should be able to get this sorted once you have this. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm just waiting for this change to happen, and then you can stake it. Do your own due diligence, watch other videos and see what's going on, what other people are saying. Join the community, get engaged, keep up to date with the roadmap and what's coming. I think the roadmap is looking really good. This is going to do really well going into 2020. And yeah, I'm looking forward to capitalizing on this as well. That is all for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Go out there and invest or do your thing, do your own due diligence, and I'll see you all in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to learn more about this type of projects. Bye.